I invented the ChordBuddy for you. You who thought you couldn't play, you who shoved the guitar under the bed, you who had convinced yourself learning to play the guitar would never happen. From the second you put this little sucker on the guitar, you're playing your favorite song in seconds. It is not a hack. You will learn to play the guitar, I promise. We're just going to take a little shortcut, just like training wheels for the guitar. They loved this on Shark Tank. I taught Robert to play in seconds.
Travis, whenever I drive down the street with my girls and a good guitar riff comes on, I want to be a rock star so bad. If you can teach me how to play the guitar...
I promise you I can right now. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
The red one?
Uh-huh. Amazing grace, green, just a green, just a green. How sweet, back to blue, the sound that saved.
We're jamming, baby!
A rich, go to red, like me.
Woo!
Y'all, what you've just seen him do would take at least 2 months.
That's true.
When you buy the ChordBuddy system, it is a complete guitar training system. Within weeks, you'll wing yourself off of the ChordBuddy and you're going to be playing like a pro.
I just wanted to thank Travis and the ChordBuddy team for this freaking amazing thing. I didn't think I would ever be able to play guitar, and now I could not be happier.
I want to extend a huge thank you for giving me the opportunity to learn how to play the guitar and bring happiness to the people that mean the most in my life.
Guys, 7 out of 10 quit playing within the first 2 months. You don't want to be one of those. Click the button below to find out more.